So now I want to talk about something we're really excited about, Symphony as your virtual development team. The idea is simple but powerful. You agree the specifications with us, and from that point forward, Symphony takes over. It writes the code, runs the tests, creates the pull requests, deploys the full lifecycle autonomously and continuously. This isn't a future roadmap item, this is how we're delivering software today. Let me show you what that looks like in practice. And this is the Symphony user interface itself, where you manage and monitor everything. You can see the issues being worked on, track progress in real time, and watch as pull requests are created and merged. It's completely transparent. You're never left wondering what's happening or where things are up to. Think of it as your project dashboard, but the team behind it never sleeps, never takes holidays, and never misses a deadline. Here's how the autonomous workflow actually operates. 4 steps, end to end. First, we agree the specifications together. You sign off on the requirements document, that's your input and your control point. Second, those specs are automatically broken down into GitHub issues, discrete, trackable work items. Third, Symphony picks up each issue and executes. It writes the code, writes the tests, creates feature branches, and opens pull requests. All autonomously, all in parallel if needed. And fourth, you're kept updated throughout. You get progress reports, you can see every commit, every PR, every deployment as it happens. Full transparency, zero chasing. Now, a question people often ask is, what model does Symphony use? And the answer is, whichever one is best for the job. Symphony is built on Codex CLI, which supports any LLM provider through OpenAI-compatible endpoints. That means we can plug in OpenAI's GPT models, Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini, or any open-source model like Llama or DeepSeek. Why does this matter? Because AI is moving incredibly fast. The best model today might not be the best model next month. Symphony is never locked into a single vendor. As more capable models emerge, we switch seamlessly. You always get the best available intelligence working on your code. Now, you might be thinking, autonomous sounds great, but how do you maintain quality? That's where our built-in quality gates come in. There are 3 layers of assurance before anything reaches production. First, Symphony resolves each issue end to end. It picks up a GitHub issue, writes the code, writes the tests, writes the documentation, creates a feature branch, and opens a detailed pull request. That's the autonomous execution layer. Second, the moment that PR is opened, GitHub's CI/CD pipeline kicks in automatically. It runs the full test suite, runs linting, enforces our zero warnings policy, and only deploys to staging or production on a successful merge. That's your automated pipeline layer. Third, and this is a nice touch, GitHub Copilot reviews every single pull request. It flags potential issues and bugs. And here's the clever part. Symphony monitors those review comments and auto-resolves them. So you have AI writing the code, a pipeline validating it, and another AI reviewing it, all before a human ever needs to look at it. So what does all of this actually feel like from your side? Let me walk through the client experience. Transparent progress. You see real-time updates on every issue. Commits, pull requests, deployments, as they happen, not in a weekly status email. Predictable delivery. Issues are resolved continuously. There's no waiting for sprint cycles, no dependency on developer availability. Work just flows. Production-ready code. Every single deliverable passes through CI/CD, automated tests, and AI code review before it merges. You're not getting rough drafts, you're getting finished, deployable code. And scale on demand. If you need to accelerate, Symphony spins up parallel agents across multiple issues simultaneously. Need to hit a deadline? We just add more agents. The bottom line is simple. You get the output of a full development team without the overhead. Agree the specs, we handle the rest. And before we wrap up, we've got some free stuff for you. Symphony is open source, and here's a direct link to the repository so you can download, play, or even use it for free. If you want to try us out, or if you just want to see what AI-driven development looks like on your own codebase, reach out to us at www.releasedgroup.com. We're happy to run a proof of concept at no cost. You can find me through Symphony or through LinkedIn. Details are right here. I'd love to continue the conversation. Thank you.